kindergarten, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my studio at home. Crazy, right? We are going to learn how to make heart flowers for Mary. So I've sent you guys a little pack of goodies and you guys are gonna get to do some cutting and gluing and coloring today. So hopefully you're ready for some fun. So continue watching the video so you can see how I made my heart flower for Mary. You guys will see that you have 4 big hearts in one circle. The first thing you're going to do is cut out your hearts with a pair of scissors. And in my video, I'm going to cut them out super fast because I put it on fast forward, not because I'm that fast at cutting. Once you have your hearts cut out, you're going to get out your next tool, your glue stick. And we're going to glue our pointed ends of our hearts together. Then we're going to get our circle, put some glue on it, and place it right in the center. Hooray! You've just made a lovely heart flower for Mary. The next thing you're going to do is color it. You're welcome to use colored pencils or markers or even paint if you want. Now I also fast forwarded this part, so it might seem like I'm coloring super fast, but remember, that's not how I really color. You can put your favorite color on the petals, or maybe you can put a design on your petals, like some polka dots or stripes. Once you're done coloring your flower, flip it over and write your name on it. Yay! So there you have it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Looking forward to seeing it. Bye!